Wow! Grabe, ang galing. Tapos napaka-elegante rin niya and umuuzing yung confidence level niya. So presenting you, eto yung full performance ni Sofia ang Arcangel from the Philippines for Miss International Queen 2024. Unahin na natin ang kanyang speech during the preliminary round ng Miss International Queen. Kaya naman pakinggan na natin ngayon.
I am a woman who had the fear of being authentic. That hindered me from achieving my dreams. But I am now standing in front of you because I was able to turn that fear into understanding. Gender equality improves our world by having the authenticity, by showing yourself and expressing your dreams. With this, we can create a world wherein it is inclusive for everybody and diverse for everyone. They can express themselves and they can be productive because they became true to themselves.